Assalamu-Alikum and welcome back. So our today topic is about the correlation and regression form. So the first application is coefficient of correlation, that how we find the R, what is the formula to find the coefficient of correlation. So the values lie between -1 and +1, or we can say R lie between -1 and +1. And what is the formula for R is summation x minus x bar into summation into y minus y bar divided by n sigma x by sigma y. Or we can say summation dx by dy divided by n sigma x by sigma y. So how do we find the d value, or what is the formula for d? So हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ रिग्रेशन के क्लास में, that for d we use the formula d equals to x minus provisional mean. So provisional mean, or we can say x minus a. So a, already we know that a is representing the provisional mean. So this is the basic formula that how we find the d value. And here the sigma x and sigma y formulas, as we already discussed, that square root summation x minus x bar ka whole square by n, or summation d square x by n. This is for x, sigma x. And what is for the sigma y? For sigma y we use the square root summation y minus y bar ka whole square divided by n, or we can say square root summation d square y divided by n. So these are the formulas for the direct method 1. What is the second direct method? The second direct method is R equals to summation x y by n minus summation x by n into summation y divided by n, and whole divided by sigma x by sigma y. And for the second direct method we use for sigma x and sigma y, there are different formulas for the second method, second direct method. So in this we use the formula for sigma x summation square root summation x square divided by n minus summation x by n ka whole square. And for sigma y we use the square root summation y square by n minus summation y by n ka whole square. And what is the r value, and what is the shortcut method? We already discussed the direct method 1 and direct method 2. So what is the shortcut methods? For shortcut method we use the for correlation and regression we use the formula summation dx into dy divided by n, and minus summation d square summation dx divided by n into summation dy by n. So this is the divide and whole divided by sigma x by sigma y. And for the shortcut method, the sigma x and sigma y values or formulas are different. So for shortcut method we use the formula for sigma x is square root summation dx square divided by n minus summation dx by n ka whole square. This is for sigma x. And for sigma y use the formula square root summation dy square by n minus summation dy by n ka whole square. So what is the straight lines? For straight line, y equals to summation y equals to a plus bx. And what is the regression coefficient? For regression coefficient, we have two equation like x on y and y on x, and their value formulas are also different. Like for x on y, we use the formula bxy because this is x on y. So x पहले आएगा और बाद में y आएगा. bxy equals to r into sigma x because x पहले आया है तो x upon y. So sigma x divided by sigma y. And for the second equation, which is y on x, अब y पहले है तो byx आएगा, and y पहले है तो r into, अब y पहले है तो ऊपर y आएगा और डिवीजन में x आएगा. So this is the basic formulas for the regression coefficient. So what is regression equation? For x on y, we use the equation is x, because x पहले आया है तो x minus x bar equals to bxy into, अब यहाँ पर y end हो रहा है तो y का पूरा आएगा, y minus y bar आएगा. और we can say x minus x bar, b हमारे पास किस चीज का, bxy का जो शॉर्टकट है वो क्या है, r into, बिकॉज ये हम ऑलरेडी ऊपर पढ़ चुके हैं कि r into x सिग्मा x by सिग्मा y bxy की इक्वल है. तो bxy की जगह हम फार्मूला पुट कर लेते हैं और y minus y bar same as it is नीचे आ जाएगा. Similarly, for the second equation, which is y on x. So for y on x, we use the equation y minus y bar equals to byx into summation into x minus x bar. X minus x bar. And we already know that what is the formula for byx. So for byx, we use the formula r into sigma y divided by sigma x. So we use this formula in this equation into x minus x bar. So these are the basics formula that we already discussed in the previous classes of the correlation and regression.